Right here I have an essential kit from COOFANDY. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be going over this two-piece full cotton set from COOFANDY. Now I ended up getting a size medium in this kit. I'm 150 pounds, 5'11", and that's what the medium looks like on me. It's going to have that oversized look, which is definitely in right now. You're going to have the oversized shorts. Now the style of having shorts up to here really is starting to fade out and people are starting to go a lot more towards the baggy look, the retro, the Y2K, and this kit definitely fits that. Now this is going to be a premium cotton and you're going to have the matching pants with the shirt. Now it's an oversized shirt as well, so I do love that. Very premium. You can see the stitching in the collar here is absolutely on point. We are going to have double stitching on this, which is going to ensure durability for a long time with this set. Now you can get this set in a ton of other colors, so this is the green. You can get this in like blue, black, gray, all sorts of stuff. Now this is something that you're going to want to wear all day. It's super comfortable, it's lightweight, and it's breathable. It also has an odor control on here as well, so it's going to keep you smelling good and comfortable all day. Now on the waistband, we are going to have a nice elastic, and you could tell that it is premium quality. We're gonna have matching drawstrings as well. And these drawstrings are gonna be pretty long. And I love the style of that, letting the drawstrings hang low. They are gonna have metal tips on the end of these drawstrings, so it does add a little bit of an accent piece. If you wanna hide the drawstrings, it's no big deal. All you gotta do is tie it up and let the shirt drop down and they're totally concealed. So if you end up buying a size that's maybe a little bit too big or oversized, you could tie those up to make sure it's gonna fit nice and snug. But if you're like me and you like the drawstrings out because it's your style, then that is definitely going to work for you because they're nice and long. Also going to have a ton of mobility all the way throughout because this does have a really nice oversized look to it, which is definitely going to fit that Y2K style. On the shirt, we are going to have a split seam. It's going to be a little bit lower in the back, which is going to be nice if you're going to be doing any activity like sports, pickleball, basketball, going to the gym. It's going to help cover the back a little bit more when you're bending down, also give you a little bit more style and mobility. Pockets on here, you're going to have two on the front. We're not going to have any pockets in the rear, but the two on the front are pretty deep, can definitely fit an iPhone. And one of the cool things about this is going to be it has a frayed look on it. So the material on the bottom of it is kind of going to look a little bit frayed, but it is going to be double stitched, so it's not going to be coming undone. It's just like a loose kind of roll at the end, and it's going to be like that on the sleeves and then also on the bottom of the pants as well. But this is something that I would definitely wear lounging around the house, just hanging out, everyday wear as well. Some nice casual wear. Definitely take this on vacation with you because you're gonna look good and you're gonna be super comfortable all day in this. I will definitely travel in something like this as well because with a nice premium cotton material, it does keep you very comfortable, but also very breathable. Make sure you check out all the other colors these have to offer, guys. I highly recommend this two-piece set by COOFANDY. It fits great, feels super comfortable, and definitely essential in my closet. If you guys would like to pick up a set like this for yourself, check the link down in the description. I'm also gonna have an exclusive discount code for you guys just to help you save some money. This is the COOFANDY two-piece set. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.